Hey, what's going on, guys? Cody Sperber, the Clever Investor, back again. And today we got a very special guest here at Clever Studios. We got Jaspreet Singh in the house. Jaspreet Singh in the house. This is the man behind the Minority Mindset channel. You know, I thought it'd be kind of fun to kind of chop it up a little bit because you got a lot of cool stuff going on and you have a real estate background.
Yep.
Wholesaled some houses back in the day.
Yes, we did.
Did your first real estate deal at age 19.
Yeah.
Found
my first property when I was 19 for $8,000 total. That was the price of the condo.
Really?
$8,000. It was listed on sale for $8,400. I bought it for $8,000.
You're a good negotiator. You really worked them down. Wait, do you still own it?
I still own it. It's paid me $850 a month now.
No way.
Yeah.
Do you want to sell it? I'll pay you $8,400. No? Yeah,
I'll come back to you on that one.
Well, yeah, we got a lot to talk about. So, first off, congratulations on all your success. You're absolutely crushing it out there. Your YouTube channel is fire right now.
Thank you.
How do I get that? I need to get that fire here at my YouTube channel. By the way, it's Minority Mindset. If you guys haven't checked it out, go check that out and support him because you're really kind of dominating the financial literacy, financial news.
Financial education.
Financial education, yeah. I probably could have gotten right to the financial education a lot faster than that. I just keep saying financial some word.
Financial something, right? That's where we do financial something.
Yeah, but you're crushing it and you're making it fun. All right, so let's talk about the climb to success. Let's empower everybody watching this right now. Like a lot of people are like, you know, they watch this for real estate training, but this is so much deeper and bigger than that. This is the foundation that you can build off of. It doesn't matter if you're doing real estate or entrepreneurship. If you understand what he's about to show you, then you're gonna be set up for success. So let's walk through it.
So I tell people, my students, essentially that building wealth is like climbing a mountain. You have to come up with a plan, and then you have to climb one step at a time. Building wealth is the exact same way. You have to come up with a plan, then you have to climb to wealth one step at a time. And how do you climb? Well, 5 steps. CLIMB. First, you have to create your financial base. If you wanted to build a house, how would you do it? Well, you got to lay a foundation, right? That's exactly what you're going to do here by creating your financial base. If you want to build a big house, you need to dig a deeper base. And so here, the first thing you need to do is save $2,000. There's a statistic that I think 78% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck, and 40% of Americans have less than $400 saved for an emergency. If you don't have any money saved up, you are at risk of going into debt when life happens because guess what? Life happens. So you need to save this $2,000 first as fast as possible so you can stop the financial bleeding. Second, you have to pay off your high interest debts. Credit card debt, those hard money loans, the things that are costing you over 10% a year on your consumer goods, these things you have to pay off fast because that is draining your finances. And then after you do that, you need to put aside $500 for investing because the whole goal of being money smart isn't just to live below your means, below your means, below your means. It's to earn more money this way you can live the way you want, but be able to afford it. So when you want to create your financial base, you got to do those 3 things. After you do that, that's when you move on to step 2.
Which is smashing that like button.
And then, L, lead your money. So when you want to lead your money, what most people do is they just make money and then they spend it and then they wonder where it went. Now, instead of just wondering where your money went, you're going to send your money special places. And so I have 2 plans for people to follow. Either you will follow our 75-15-10 plan or our 50-30-20 plan, which essentially says that if you don't have a ton of financial responsibilities, you will spend a maximum of half of what you make, you will invest a minimum of 30% of what you make, and you will save a minimum of 20% of what you make. If you do have other financial responsibilities and you have other people relying on you financially, then you will spend a maximum of 75% of what you make, you will invest a minimum of 15% of what you make, and you will save a minimum of 10% of what you make. So now you are investing and you are saving first before you spend your money. That's what wealthy people do.
I love that.
Once you finish step 2, then you're going to subscribe to this channel.
Boom, I like it. See, there's a stat I want to share. 99% of people that watch this subscribe to this channel.
That's facts.
Facts. You can't argue with science.
So, yeah, biology, science. Step 3, interest-free living. Saving is losing. The majority of people are taught, me included, that if you want to become wealthy, you have to save your money. Save. But the reality is saving is losing because the Federal Reserve Bank is printing money all day, every day. And so the value of your savings are dropping like a rock.
Plus taxes.
So if you're just saving your money, the value of your savings are going down this way. The price of things are going up this way. So you need your money to grow. And so here, after you save 6 months worth of expenses, you want to stop saving completely because saving is losing, and you want to reallocate the saving money that you were putting, the 10% or 20%, to your investment fund. This way now you can either pay down your low interest debts or you can invest even more aggressively. And if you want to decide whether you want to save or invest, there's a few factors you have to look at. We talk about this on our channel all the time. You have to look at what your financial goals are. If your goal is to live large and live a lavish lifestyle, you have to take more calculated risks and you have to earn more money. If you just want to live financially stress-free and pay down your debts. So depending on how you want to live your life, that's how you need to be investing your money, because paying down your debt is an investment. When you pay off that 10% interest bill that you have, it's a guaranteed 10% return. So you just need to know how you want to live your life so you know how to lead your money and how to use your money in this interest-free living step. Then once you do that, now it's time to fuel your system, because like I was saying, most people, when they talk about money management, they tell you to live smaller, but that's not a lot of fun. And so once you know how to use your money, that's when you want to fuel your system by multiplying your income. You have to earn more money if you want to start living your life sooner. And this is where you can do things like quick flips, real estate flipping. You can start a business. I mean, there are so many ways nowadays to earn more money. And with the internet, I mean, there's so many ways for you to learn what to do. I mean, you talk about it all the time. We talk about it on our channel. So once you know how to use your money, now it's time to multiply your income. And then finally, at the top of the climb to wealth mountain is be great. You have to be great for your family by taking care of your assets. I say protect your assets because, well, I went through law school because my parents wanted me to get a real degree. And it is crazy how many people do not take care of their assets legally. Once you start building your wealth, you have to start looking out for your money through things like creating wills, using insurance, using legal shields. Use these things to protect your family, because when people find out you have money, they're going to try to take their hand, put it in your pocket, and take some of it for themselves. And then be great for your community, because the more you have, the more you can do. You know, a lot of times people say, oh, well, that's the government's job. They should take care of other people. And we can point fingers all day long, but at the end of the day, we're all human. And the more we have, the more we can do. It costs money to eat and it costs money to feed other people. And sometimes people just need a little bit of a push. And that's where, as you build your wealth, you have more resources and more power to help more people, inspire more people, and help other people live their best lives too.
Yeah, and I feel like a lot of successful people really do enjoy serving others and helping others, because now they're empowered to be able to do that. My mentor used to always say it's like being on an airplane and having the cabin pressure go out and the little mask drops down, and he would give me that analogy of you got to put yours on first. That's what they tell you to do, and then you can put on the mass of people around you. So you literally just modeled out the roadmap for success, financial success.
5 steps.
Hey, if you guys want to see some more videos with Jaspreet,
there you go.
I nailed it, right?
You got it.
I nailed it. All right, drop your comment down below. Just, and let me know if you actually do this. Leave me a comment. We're going to have some fun right now. This is on the fly. My assistant's going to look at me like I'm crazy. We're going to have a contest, and we're going to give away something cool. I want you to go to Jaspreet's channel. I want you to find his favorite video. And their favorite video on your channel, and I want you to drop the link to one of his favorite videos in the comment section down below. And we're going to pick a random person, and what can we give them? What can we give them?
Our course, t-shirts.
T-shirts, free ebooks,
Free swag.
Free swag. All right, we're gonna
Bar.
a car. What?
car.
My car? We're just giving away Lambos now? Damn, I'm not asking you anymore. You're out of this. All right, we're gonna give away a free real estate investor training system. All right, just to kind of motivate you to go over and check out his cool videos because you got a lot of cool ones and a lot of them went viral.
Yeah.
I think people like it.
It's a blessing.
There
I'm
you
blessed
go.
to be here.
Thank you guys for watching this. I hope you got something from this video. Go climb your way to wealth and success and happiness and fulfillment and awesomeness.
And as always, keep hustling.
Oh, I like that. So maybe that could be my sign off is not nearly as cool. My sign off is like, take care, comb your
Goodbye.
hair.
Have a nice day.
That's it. And we're out.